Today, I will explain the ICT change in state of delivery. So let's get straight into it. A change in state of delivery is a change in price delivery where order flow shifts from one direction to the opposite direction. Let's look at how a bearish change in state of delivery looks like. It starts with a buy-side liquidity sweep, then we have a series of bullish candles, and they get overlapped by a bearish candle, closing below and outside the body of those bullish candles. Candle wicks are never considered in CISD, only the bodies are considered. Now let's look at bullish CISD. It starts with a sell-side liquidity sweep, and then we have a series of down-close candles which get overlapped and closed above by the bullish candles. Those bearish candles only matter by their bodies, not their wicks. But the reason why most traders get it wrong is because they forget about the right context. The liquidity sweep is the most important factor to spot the correct change in state of delivery. Now let's hop onto the charts quickly, and I will show you the right way to use this concept. So coming onto the charts, first you have to see what has been swept and where the price will go next. Here we have a sell-side liquidity sweep, so we know that the price will continue towards the buy-side liquidity. Now look here. We have a 15-minute bearish candle which gets overlapped and closed above by bullish candles. And notice this. There isn't a single bearish candle inside this entire overlap move, so this is a bullish change in state of delivery. You can see price retraced back into the CISD and then moved upside towards the buy-side liquidity. Now in this price action, you can see that we have a 15-minute fair value gap which has been respected. We also have sell-side liquidity resting below, waiting to get swept. So our bias is bearish, and we also have a change in state of delivery to the downside, where the bearish candles have overlapped and closed below the bullish candle. So we can wait for price to retrace back to the change in state of delivery level, because CISD also creates an order block that price usually retraces back into. You can see that price has retraced back to the CISD level. So we will enter, place our stop just above the CISD, and target the sell-side liquidity. And as you can see, price immediately moved straight towards the sell-side liquidity. This is the exact context that helps you spot the right change in state of delivery. Here, the price rebalanced and respected a fair value gap. We also had equal lows at the sell-side liquidity, and price had already swept buy-side liquidity. This is the context you always have to know before using the change in state of delivery. In the last example, now I will tell you the reason most traders fail to use the CISD in the right way. So here we have a 15-minute sell-side liquidity sweep, and we also have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. On top of that, we also have 15-minute internal sell-side liquidity sitting inside this fair value gap. We will wait for price to sweep this low, and then we will look for a bullish change in state of delivery. So the price has swept our sell-side liquidity. Here, most traders will immediately start looking for a CISD, but we will not, because price didn't mitigate our fair value gap. This is the exact impatience that results in losing money. Then they blame the change in state of delivery and say the concept doesn't work, while it's only their mistake. Now the price has retraced into our fair value gap, so now we will look for a change in state of delivery. Look here. We have 3 bearish candles, which are now overlapped and closed above by bullish candles, and that validates the CISD. So we will enter, place our stop at the low, and target the buy-side liquidity. Look at this. How clean the price triggered our order and went straight into the buy-side liquidity. You have to align your context and bias exactly like this. We had a sell-side liquidity sweep, then price retraced into a fair value gap, then we had a CISD we entered, and price delivered the target. It really is that simple. So thanks for watching, and if you've stayed till the end, you already know you're ahead of most traders out there. If you want to take your learning to the next level, make sure you join my Telegram and Discord. Inside, you'll get the full PDF breakdowns, daily market overviews, deeper explanations, premium chart markups, and a community of traders who are actually serious about leveling up. And if you're someone who wants to stop guessing, stop gambling, and actually understand the market the way professionals do, then check out the link in the description for one-to-one mentorship. In mentorship, I guide you step by step, break down your mistakes, sharpen your executions, and give you the exact structure you need to trade with confidence, not confusion. So join the community, download the PDFs, level up your knowledge, and if you're ready for real growth, mentorship is open. I'll see you inside.